little gardeners! Welcome to our garden adventures! Today, we're going to explore the wonderful world of growing your very own fruits and veggies right in your backyard. Are you ready? Before exploring my garden, hit that subscribe button and like this video for more video like this. Now let's see what we can find in my garden. This is my garden. Do you know that you can grow all sorts of delicious and healthy fruits and vegetables right here? Let's take a look at some of the amazing things we can grow together. First up, let's talk about vegetables. Vegetables are not only tasty but also super good for you. Here are some veggies you can grow in your garden. These are tomatoes. They come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny cherry tomatoes to big, juicy beefsteak tomatoes. You can put them in salads, sandwiches, or just eat them fresh off the vine. Yum! And these are carrots. Carrots grow underground, and they love sunny spots. They are crunchy, sweet, and packed with vitamins. Have you ever tried pulling a carrot right out of the soil? It's like a treasure hunt. Next, we have lettuce. Lettuce grows quickly and is perfect for making fresh salads. You can grow different types like romaine, butterhead, or crisp head. It's fun to mix and match. Now, let's talk about fruits. Fruits are sweet and delicious, and many can be grown in your garden too. Here are some fruity favorites. These are strawberries. Strawberries are small, red, and super sweet. They grow close to the ground and are one of the easiest fruits to grow. Plus, they make a great snack. And over here, we have an apple tree. Apples come in many varieties, and they are perfect for pies, sauces, or just munching on. Did you know apple trees can live for many years and keep giving you apples every season? Lastly, we have raspberries. Raspberries are little red or black berries that grow on bushes. They are so tasty and can be used in jams, desserts, or eaten just as they are. Delicious! Growing your own fruits and veggies is not only fun but also helps you learn about nature and where your food comes from. Plus, it's super rewarding to eat something you've grown yourself. Remember, plants need water, sunlight, and love to grow healthy and strong. So, get out there, start planting, and soon you'll have your very own garden full of yummy fruits and veggies. Thanks for joining me on this garden adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, everyone! Bye!